Vlog ni Dili. Ay, vlog ni Dili. Sige. Hello everyone. So, welcome to my channel. So, we make economics easy and fun. Basta kay lingaw ni siya. Today, we're talking about a concept that affects every single decision we make. So, it's called the fundamental economics problem, scarcity and choice.
So, scarcity is a shortage in the supply of a product or a service that is inevitably resolved by a higher price. So, scarcity daw guys is kakulangan na siya og supply. For example, ang bus ko, makulangan sila og kuan, source sa tubo or gabaligya sila og tubo. Well, gamay ra kay lang ma-produce nga sugar. So, makuan din siya scarcity, kakulangon sa supply para mahimo og kuan og sugar. What ang scarcity guys? Thank you.
Choice is a fundamental concept in economics because it directly affects how resources are allocated in a market economy. Individual choices contribute to demand for goods and services, influencing market prices and the allocation of resources among competing uses.
Opportunity cost is a fundamental economic concept that describes the value of the best alternative foregone when making a decision. Simply affirms the potential benefits that lost when choosing one opinion over another. For example, you have a free evening. You can spend it watching TV or you can spend it for exercising. If you choose to watch TV, the opportunity cost is improved fitness and health you could gain from exercising. Thank you.
Budget na 200,000. So, yan, sa 200,000 is magpili mig duha ka motors. So, sa duha ka motor, isa ra mo pilion. So, among
Pili kay kaning R15M kaniya. Tapos kaning CB150X